Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. It's a big Sunday because tomorrow we welcome our teachers back for their first day of pre-planning. And then at the end of the week on Friday is open house, which is when we get to meet all of you and the kids. And we're so excited. Let's go over some important open house information. Like I said, it's Friday, July 30th. 6th grade families come between 9 and 11. 7th grade families come between 1 and 2:30. And 8th grade families come between 3 and 4:30. A very important thing to know is that it's not a program that goes for that whole time. It truly is open house style. So come at some point within that time frame. Please do not feel like you have to be here right at the beginning. What that does is cause giant crowds. People come really early, and then we have a big crowd of people waiting outside for a long time, and we won't let you in before the time because the teachers won't be ready. And especially now when we're trying to maintain some of the safety norms that we've had in place, we certainly don't want a giant crowd of people waiting outside. So a 6th grade family, feel free to come at 10:30. You don't have to come right at 9. That'll help make it a lot less crowded for everybody. Secondly, masks are strongly recommended by Gwinnett County Public Schools. They are not required. Many of our vaccinated staff are not wearing them anymore, but for unvaccinated people, the numbers are really going up. And so the district is recommending that you wear masks. So that's just a note. I know some of you are concerned about safety. And so if you're not vaccinated, please do consider wearing a mask. Again, not required, but just wanted to put it out there. So here we go. This is what you need to know about schedules. I've already gotten some questions about when we're going to get schedules. You will not get a full schedule on Friday the 30th. You'll just get your homeroom teacher, and that's where you go. But guys, here's the thing. Your schedules are in your e-class and on the parent portal. The e-class and parent portal schedules will go live on July 30th. So you don't need a schedule from us because it's in your phones and in your computers as of July 30th. So kiddos, you need to reset your passwords. You can do this today. It's ready to go. All kiddos go on to your devices, and when you try to log in to eClass, it's going to ask you to put in a password. The password is going to be your birth date. So it'll be 2 numbers for the month, 2 numbers for the date, and then 4 numbers for the year. So my birthday is January 15th, 1974. So my password would be 01151974. Once you do that, then it'll immediately ask you to set your password for the year. So all kiddos, if you want to see your schedule on Friday morning, go ahead and start resetting your passwords. And then first thing Friday morning, you can see what your schedule is. Then you come to open house, you go to that homeroom teacher, and that's where you will get all of the information that you need for the year. Okay? Parents, if you're not on the parent portal, get on there. I've linked the registration form a whole bunch of times. I will also have some here on Friday during open house so that you never have to have a question about schedules again. The other thing you'll be able to see is your bus information. We get so many phone calls about buses, but they are in the parent portal. So if you get on the portal, you'll have so many of your questions answered. So you won't see your schedules until Friday when they go live. Please reset your passwords and parents sign up for the parent portal. Then on the 30th, you will get car rider numbers if you need them. You will be able to sign up for My Payments Plus, which is very important because that's how you pay for everything at school now. You will be able to get your supply list. But again, those are on the website. I've put them on social media. They're all over the place. But if you still haven't seen them, you can get them on Friday. You'll be able to buy spirit wear from the PTA, and you'll be able to do free and reduced lunch forms, which is also something that I have linked, but I will link again. Guys, this is very important, and I'm going to say this a lot over the next few weeks. Everyone gets free breakfast and lunch this year, the entire year, every student in the school system. However, we still need you to fill out your free and reduced lunch forms because that number, the percentage of our families who would qualify for free and reduced lunch gives our school lots of money. And with that money, we can buy technology, we can hire people, we can do things that our kids need. So I need your help. I need you to do that free and reduced lunch form, even though everyone's getting free lunch this way anyway. Thank you for your help with that. It will only benefit all of our kids, not just the ones that get free and reduced lunch. So that's the 30th. It should be a lot of fun. Remember, don't come early. Come anytime within the time frame. We don't want you to be stuck outside in the heat wearing masks in a crowd. That won't be fun. And then July 30th at night, if you like Food Truck Fridays at Duluth Town Green like I do, Friday night, the 30th, will be so special because it'll be all dedicated to Duluth cluster schools. So all the elementary schools, the 2 middle schools and the high school will be celebrated that night. Duluth Middle School will have a tent. We'll be giving out some fun little treats to the kids. The PTA will be selling water. So come see us Friday night, Duluth Town Green, food trucks, music, fun, and we'll be doing a kickoff to the school year for Duluth cluster schools. Then the next week, school starts. 6th graders come to school on August 4th, ready to go in person. 7th and 8th graders do digital on August 4th. Those will be short, very short Zooms that the 7th and 8th graders can do on their phones. And then 7th graders come in person on August 5th and are with us then for the rest of the year. But on August 5th and 6th, the 8th graders are still digital. Remember, short Zooms they can do on their phone, but they do have to log in and meet their teachers. Then on Monday, August 9th, all kiddos will be here in person and there won't be any more digital instruction happening. If you send your kiddo on the wrong day, we'll just call you and ask you to pick them up. So please make sure that you're looking at that calendar. 6th graders come on Wednesday, 7th graders come on Thursday, 8th graders come on Monday. I know it's confusing, but we'll figure it out. I cannot wait to see you on Friday. I've missed you. I'm so excited to have all the kids back in the building. I know that many of you are concerned about the rising numbers of COVID cases. We are listening for any sort of change of guidance from the district, but as of right now, we're coming to school and everybody is wearing a mask if they want to. They are strongly recommended, but they're not required. And we will continue to have hand sanitizer and lots of cleaning. So I really feel like we're going to be able to keep our kiddos safe. And I'm just so happy that they'll all be here with us in person. Thank you for your support. I apologize for the long videos. I hope this is helpful. Email me at any time if I can give you any support. And thank you for being such wonderful Duluth families. We'll see you Friday. Bye.